Hello, welcome. A quick one on this. I think a few seconds. We are to describe the set of M, which is having 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, 13, 17, 19 in words. So we have to identify the type of set that this is. They say odd numbers less than what? 20. Odd numbers does not include what? 2. So we discard the first option. Factors of what? 19. Obviously, 2 cannot divide 19. So this is also discarded. Prime numbers less than 20. So let's check whether there is a number here that is not prime. 2 is a prime number. And with the set of these, all are prime numbers. But let's hold on to that and look at the last one. Whole numbers less than what? 20. The whole numbers here could have also include 4, 6, 9. But we don't have them. Therefore, the best option we can go here is prime numbers, which begin from 2 and end as what? 19, less than what? 20. So the concept here is to pick the option what? C. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.